There are a lot of challenges when they face, particularly in a multidisciplinary field. For example, if I'm writing certain research paper in medical sciences, so you need expertise from medical sciences. If you are writing certain research paper in management sciences, you also need expertise from management sciences. Or if you are writing something in biological sciences, you need expertise in biological sciences. So obviously their language, their words have to be clearly followed. Similarly, if somebody is writing papers in mathematical sciences, so mathematical terminology has to be very well defined so that you can write in a clear words and it will specify to a particular field. So that is the most important part. So that is the first challenge which we face people face in the multidisciplinary. And the second important point is that writing has to be in a proper sequence. To write a research paper, there is a proper sequence. So if that sequence is not followed, then obviously you will be not up to the mark. So proper sequencing is required. For example, first of all, you need to define your problem in the abstract itself. Then you come to introduction, what the people have done regarding such type of research and what are the research gaps. And once you identify the research gaps, then you specify your problem, that this is how we are going to tackle this problem and here is the solution. And after that, finally writing all these things in the middle part of your research paper, then you give conclusions and remarks. And also it's very important to give the future directions for the younger generation.